Book of Heaven, Volume 11, April 15th, 1916. Everything in Jesus, the Word, speaks lovingly to creatures, and the soul who lives in His will is all voiced together with Him. I live dying because of the continuous privations of my sweet Jesus. This morning I found all of myself in Jesus, as if I were swimming in the immensity of my highest good. Then I looked inside myself and I saw Jesus in me, and I could hear the whole being of Jesus speaking, His feet, His hands, His heart, His mouth. In sum, everything was voices. Not only this, but the wonder was that these voices became immense and multiplied for each creature. The feet of Jesus spoke to the feet and to each step of creatures, His hands to their works, His eyes to their gazes, His thoughts to each of their thoughts. What harmonies between Creator and creatures! What an enchanting sight! What love! But alas, all these harmonies were broken by ingratitudes and by sins. Love was repaid with offenses. And Jesus, all afflicted, told me,
"My daughter, I am the verbum, that is, the Word. And my love toward the creature is so great that I multiply into as many voices for as many acts, thoughts, affections, desires, etc. as each creature does, in order to receive from them the return of those acts done for love of me. I give love and I want love, but I receive offenses instead. I give life, but if they could, they would give me death. But in spite of all this, I continue my loving office. However, know that the soul who lives united with me and from my volition, swimming in my immensity, is all voiced together with me as well. So if she walks, her steps speak, pursuing the sinner. Her thoughts are voices to the minds, and so with all the rest. Only from these souls do I find as though a recompense in the work of creation. And in seeing that, unable to do anything by themselves to correspond to my love and maintain the harmonies between them and me, they enter into my will, they make themselves the owners of it, and they act in a divine manner. My love finds its outpouring, and I love them more than all other creatures.